Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up two-factor authenticator for Stripe. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time with Stripe, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Setting up two-factor authentication or 2FA in Stripe is a straightforward process that enhances the security of your financial transactions and sensitive information. Depending on how you set up your Stripe account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you need to click the profile. You see, here it's a very easy thing to do because you have the two-step authentication option here, which increases security for your account by using multiple authentication methods. You can enable SMS, authenticator apps, or hardware security keys. If you want to enable Touch ID or Windows Hello, you must enable another step first. I want you to click this button right here. Now, if you want to add security keys, all you have to do is you can receive the link on your email to make changes to your account. Verify using one of the options below. I'm gonna click on continue, and I'm going to open the Gmail right now. And as you can see, I successfully received a link from my Stripe verification 2FA. All right, I'm gonna switch back again to the options. I'm not gonna resend the link. Instead, I'm going to add another authentication method wherein I'm going to add an SMS. Okay, so it says we recommend another form of two-step authentication. Text messages are unencrypted. Require cell reception to use. If you still want to use it, just click and continue. And another option is going to be using an authenticator app. Okay. Now, with 2FA enabled, even if your login credentials are compromised, unauthorized users would still need the second factor, for example, a code from your authentication app to gain access. Now, it makes it harder for attackers to succeed with phishing schemes since they would need the additional authentication factor to complete the login. Now, if in any case you are having problems setting up your two-factor authentication here on your account, you might want to click on the help section. Click on the support center and view the support articles. And from here, click the contact support. That's going to be 24/7 for you guys. Just wait for it. While waiting on the Stripe support system, you might want to type in the articles related here. Now, if you don't, click on the bottom part here where it says contact sales. You might want to send them an email telling them you are having problems setting up your two-factor authentication on your Stripe account. And one of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. Now, as you see, 2FA enhances the security of not just financial transactions, but also other aspects of account management, such as changing account settings or adding new payment methods. In combination with strong passwords, 2FA provides a robust security framework to protect your account from various threats. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.